Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Pumpkin 2 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Pumpkin 2 puzzle comes in a combination of either Honduran Mahogany and Wenge, like you can see right now on your screen, or Honduran Mahogany and Jatoba. Difficulty level of Pumpkin 2 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all 3 parts inside the frame in such a way that no parts will be sticking out, like you can see right now, and both openings will be covered, like you can see on this side. This puzzle comes unsolved. The parts are inside in a random way just for transportation needs, so you have to remove all of them and then figure out the way how to put them inside the frame in such a way that both openings will be covered. As you can see, this frame has 2 openings, one on bigger opening on one side and smaller opening on the other side, and there are 3 parts, completely different shape of each part. You have to figure out how to put them inside. If you like Pumpkin 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I'll show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, put the frame like this. Now grab all parts and put them in such a way that this part is going to be like this. The next part is going to be here, and this part is going to be between these 2 parts. So it's going to look like this. This is the shape. How it's going to look inside the frame. Now I have to figure out how to move all the parts in order to put them inside the frame later. So we will start to put inside this piece. It goes all the way inside to the right, and it has to go inside the cutout on the back and stick out from there. So the next piece is going to be this one. We have to put it right here. And the next part is going to be this one. You have to put it right here, slide it 1 step inside and down. The next move is going to be to move this piece to the front, like this, and it goes down. Now move both parts up and move this piece 1 step to this side. This piece will go, it's supposed to go down and to the left. Now you will be able to move this piece from the back. You have to move it 1 step inside and all the way up. Here, the next step is going to be to move this piece to the right. At the same time, this piece is going to fall down, and now you can move this piece inside and the puzzle is solved and it is assembled. But since this puzzle comes disassembled, to complete the solution we have to take it apart. So the first piece is going to be this one. We have to move it to the front. The next piece is going to be this one. We have to move it up. The best way to do it is just flip the puzzle upside down, and then then you have to move this piece to the left, and once you move it to the left, the third piece is gonna fall down and you have to remove it from the back like this. Now you have to move this piece back to the right and 1 step up, then move this piece 1 step to the front. Now this piece goes up and all the way back. Basically, you just changing places of these 2 parts. Now you can remove this piece, then goes this piece, and then you can remove the last piece that is all the way inside the frame. And that is the solution of Pumpkin 2 puzzle. So it is quite a difficult solution, since first of all you have to figure out how to put all 3 parts in a shape of a cube or almost a cube, and then you have to figure out the way how to fit it inside the frame. So great puzzle, quite a challenge to solve it. If you like this puzzle or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Asanori Yamamoto or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!